Hi everybody, it's Lisa and Brett with Ida H2O Adventures.
Hello.
We're going to something we've never gone to before. It's the Lilac Festival in downtown Spokane today, and there's a car show downtown and along the riverfront, and then there'll be a parade later on tonight, but it's kind of iffy weather, so they said thunderstorms and showers might be coming in, so we're gonna get down there early, try and video some of the cars, see what's going on, and then maybe stop at a winery on the way back. So come along on this journey with us.
Hi.
So we made it downtown. We're at Spokane Falls Boulevard and Post Street, and this is near the Riverfront Park, and we're going to cross the street. The car show's down this way, it looks like. This is just some statues in the park. So this building is where you go to get onto the gondola that takes you over by the river, and it's also this track right here is frozen during the winter time around Christmas time, and it's a skating park, skating rink. So these statues are pretty unique too. Solid metal. Look how thick that is. Pretty cool. There's the Lavender Princesses. It's a big festival down here. They're walking through the car show. Some street vendors that are set up. Little beer, that red tent's a brewery. 57, little hot rod. There's a Barracuda. A couple cute little girls in this little Triumph.
Here, can I move this for you? Oh, thank you.
That's cool.
Say cheese.
Mom and Dad taking pictures. Had a buddy who used to have one of these. He bought it in high school, and he kept it. And then on his son's 18th birthday, he gave it to his son as a present. And it wasn't too long after that, the son came to the dad and said, "Hey Dad, do you mind if I sell the Camaro? I can make a lot of money." I just thought that was funny. That's just like it. Cool little super sport. Impala 65, it's got a 396 in it. It's a nice little Ford, all redone inside, beautiful interior. I think it's a 37 maybe, 38, 37. This one's for sale. Anybody interested in a nice two-door sedan, contact that number. So Lisa said this reminds her of somebody's car that she used to know, but it was a convertible, right, babe? I don't know if Rob watches or not, but he'll know what we're talking about. It's a Accord, but it's an 8/10 scale. It's not a full-scale car. The sign kind of explains about it. This is similar to the little Studebaker that Anthony Photography has. Nice. There's another Shelby. You don't see too many of those. That's pretty cool. So Lisa spotted this. She wants to visit Jurassic Park. It's a cool truck. It's a Jeep all made up. Now this is pretty cool. This is a 1910 Model T Speedster. There's all the details about it. Man, that's a beauty. That's all brass.
This year, Discover Wine Liberty Park is a Spokane tradition. Tucked around the
Wooden spoke wheels.
Come take a walk in the park. Liberty Park Greenhouse.
Wow.
Wait to kick off your summer adventures.
That is something.
The best time to buy an RV is right here, right now. During the
So here's an old rat rod Ford. Got his bikes in the back. Pretty cool. Interior. That's wild. So Lisa spotted this. Talladega Nights with Will Ferrell.
Karen, the cougar.
Yep. She says, "There's Karen."
And
This
he
is
said that's not his plan. He said you put a tiger in your tank.
Right.
Exxon gas.
right. That used to be the old motto. This is a nice GTO. Very nice. What's the horsepower? 335. We had a 389 in our boat. Yeah, beautiful. Old Mustang, new Mustang. Pretty cool. Yeah, that's a nice Malibu little convertible. Yeah, very nice. Here's my sweetheart. There's a cool looking old Ford. It's a little Nova. Check this out. Man, look at it. This is clean. 71 Nova. Very nice. That's nicely done right there. So this is the Riverfront Park. This is where it begins. There's a water area that I'm sure in the summertime comes in handy. And then over on this area, in that enclosed building where all the glass is, a big carousel. And right over by the base of that American flag is Spokane River. We're going to go check out some food trucks now. So this is, right here is a nice little area right in the middle of River Park. That's downtown Spokane over that way. The geese are cruising through. Beautiful little area down here. So we're walking through the food trucks, and this is something that's kind of unique. It's a shave ice truck called Kona Ice. These are the owners. There's their phone number and their website. But check this out. You can book this for a fundraiser, you know, school, team spirits, parties. And it's really neat. She'll do the ice up there, and then you come over here and you put your flavors on. Very, very nice idea. Give them a call. Here's the Melts grilled cheese booth. No, it's 208. I've seen this sign. Where are you guys based?
Coeur d'Alene.
Coeur d'Alene, that's what I thought.
Sure, yeah.
Yeah, I saw the sign before, but I just couldn't place what it was.
If you go into Coeur d'Alene, we have our special sandwiches, you know, we got a lot of extra stuff, and our salad's really good, our soups are good, everything's really great. So
Cool.
come down to Coeur d'Alene and get extreme melt sandwiches.
Excellent.
Yeah, no problem.
I'll give you our card so you can see where we're at.
Alrighty.
Hi. Cool little truck. here's the story. I guess it came from France, right? Pretty neat. Coffee smells good.
Thank you. I like your shirt.
Thank you.
It's like our shirt.
There you go, yeah. Lisa just spotted this. I think that's called a pagoda, but it's representing Spokane's sister city's garden. So the sister city, they have Spokane rivers connect with the rivers of our sister cities.
In China,
In-
Ireland,
Yeah, isn't that cool?
Korea, and Italy.
And this is where they're located.
Interesting.
That's really neat.
Yeah. Did you get the little thing?
And this is the other side of the little bridge here, and that's a cool building, Washington Water Power, old brick building. Yep, Lisa just pointed out, here comes those geese coming upstream. Here's a pretty cool little 33 Ford sedan. Got a little V8 in it. Darkened windows. Very clean.
There's our car. Love it. And look at on top, the camping tent. It's like so cool. Rustic?
Yeah. Lisa, we came back to this. She likes
I
the
gotta go back. I gotta go back.
she likes the platform that you can put your tent on. Very cool. And we wouldn't be here without the services of the men that served in our wars. That's pretty cool little Idaho Jeep. Lisa likes this. She said this is a Scooby-Doo van.
Yeah.
Pretty cool. Yeah. That's pretty cool. Let's go camping. Look at his bourbon back there. That's neat. Monkey shoulder.
Cool. Aww.
Orangutan. Orangutan? Orangutan? Pretty cool.
It could be Dumb and Dumber. The Dumb and Dumber van.
Little 65 Mustang. And these are all-time favorites. 57 Chevy. Very clean. Looks like it's all stock. 283. Yep, he kept it all original. Very nice. From Nevada. So we're walking down towards the river. We made the circuit around the small little car show. It's pretty cool. Lots of neat little things here. and we walked through the Riverfront Park. These are the gondolas that actually cross over or go alongside of the Spokane River. And we're gonna try and come up and capture where it starts getting rough over by Clinker Daggers. Yeah, so we don't know why the little gondola thing's not going today, but as you can see, they do go across the river. Yeah, it might be because it's windy, but there's the Spokane River as it exits out of the Riverfront Park into some falls down there. And that's Monroe Street Bridge. Nice park, all kinds of different little areas to go look and enjoy little pockets. And that's a big structure that was built here. The reason they built Riverfront Park was for the World's Expo in 1974. And I guess then they donated the land to the city, or the city, you know, built it, and it just became a park. But this is a pretty neat place. And I know you guys have been with us when we've been at Clinker Daggers. Clinker Daggers is over there somewhere. So when we came out of the mall where we parked, I noticed this beautiful building, and we just now realized what it is. It's the Spokane City Hall and the Chase Gallery, and it's just got some really pretty architecture touches on the outside of the building. There it is, Spokane City Hall.
We are at Twigs Martini Bar in downtown Spokane. This is our view. It's inside the mall, River Square Mall. Anyways, there's a P.F. Chang's down there. And it looks like it's gonna rain.
Well, we didn't make it to a winery to do wine tasting, but we had a really nice lunch at Twigs in downtown Spokane. Anyway, that's the end of our video. Thanks for watching. Please like us and please subscribe. Until our next adventure.